Drop my top, let the roof loose. Look at these diamond Fruit Loops. Look at this round like the president.
It's your boy, it's just Rabs. I hope you like my new room. You know what I mean? It's pink. It's pink. No, I'm joking. It's my sister's room, so please don't tell her. Or she's gonna go. Pow! Yeah, I'm Lee for the beat. Pow! If you don't know about me, pow! Better ask someone quickly, cause pow! Like Lethal Bizzle to the face, like mine, you get me? But today I'm gonna go see the squad. It's gonna be a turn up. A turn up, like. I'm joking. Alright, you didn't see that. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be. Hey, I can't wait to see them. I haven't seen them in a long time. And yeah, we're just gonna do anything. Because this is our world, man. This is our world, man. But yeah, see you in the next one.
If you feel you're sinking, I will jump right.
I'm on my way to see the squad right now. Yo, we were meant to link up at 3 o'clock. Now it's 4 o'clock. They're always late. Trust me, they're always freaking late, boy. And me and Renault are the only ones that are early. Come on! Finish your time, bro! But yeah, man, it's gonna be a good day still. They're always late. Still turn up, you get me? But, yeah. Right now, I told you we're the first ones, always. Always. We're going to go pick up Jess M.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I just feel lots of different things right now.
Alright. It might be a girl situation.
Nah.
So girls, you know what to do. His Instagram's gonna be down there, bruh. Slide into the DMs. Fam, we're in Oxford Street. We lost the girls in Primark. Bruh, I just got off the phone from T and she told me she just got out of the change room when we left them an hour ago. Damn!
I need your body in ways that you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience, cause we've been going over and over again.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, you in love or something? He's in love right now. How much are the prices at? Good prices, man.
Girl, I just wanna take you home and get right to it. You know I gotta get it now. Give it to me, baby, inside and now. I just wanna make you feel.
Nando says. He's thinking which sauce he's gonna have. Which sauce?
This one.
She's having, I don't know what that is. Jess is having rice.
Bibimbap.
You're having fries. Gone. It's all gone. Well, Jess is like wondering to is she gonna finish that? Nah, she ain't. Renault's still munching on his 2 fries, large fries and that. He's giving up. Finished eating at Nando's on our way to Stratford. The food was delicious. We just did the Bow Wow challenge. It's gonna be right here after there. So I hope you enjoy that. Hit the like for that one. Yo guys, I just bought a new range, man. You know how we do. Popping stacks, dog. Woo! Fly. Shit.
I'm working early in the morning. Sheep jumping over fences, how they sleeping on me. This lifestyle got me soaring. Spotify and Apple Music pay my rent for me. Fantasizing about how we live. Only 5-star places. Look a bit. The way that I mix it. Heard the music, now she asking for the digits. She hoping I can grant all of the wins.
I would have been perfect with the. Ah, yeah. You're good. Trust. Yeah.
okay, can I get a witness? And I've been on the plane like pigeons. Complex the way that I mix it. Heard the music, now she asking for the digits. She hoping I can grant all of her wishes. You hold me.
Bruh, she's just going in for it.
Yeah, because you don't look. You look at it after.
Yeah.
You got one to like.
I like all of them. We're in Stratford right now and everything's closing. We came at the wrong time.
No, we came at the right time.
Yeah, we're gonna take. Well, we're still taking photos and shit. But yeah, man, it's good. Today was good still, even though it didn't go plan, but to plan. But exactly. We're squad. We do anything we like, man. As I said, this is our world. We do whatever we like, man.
We're conquering our world, guys. You want to?
Motivational, eh? Lost the phone.
We left it there for how long ago?
Why would you bloody leave your phone upstairs, dude? I don't understand.
See it?
Auntie, you used the last.
I know, but I put it on top of
You
your
have to
jacket.
do first, man.
On top of your jacket. I'm done.
Jess, hopefully we're gonna find him, man. We just left like how long ago?
I'm done with that.
Are you getting mad at me because I'm saying I feel sorry?
That's helpful.
Okay, do you want me to help you?
Run ahead.
Jess.
But I was like, do you know what? He's gonna be a dickhead and make us walk there anyway.
No, we're doing a U-turn. That's why I didn't want to. How'd you feel?
Okay.
Make sure you keep your phone on you. It was on the little thing though.
Was it? It was under silence, so we would have found it.
But yeah. Guys, I pranked Jess. Again. Guys, guess what? Guess what?
You got that? Yes.
Yeah, that's my car right there. I'm not a taxi driver, but you know. How was the photo shoot? I like that. I like that a lot. Guys, goodbye. I'm gonna miss you guys. Free park.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Go and check out T's vlog, my friend T's vlog, Music Geek Online. Should be doing crazy vlogs out here, man. I never like read blogs, but she does crazy motivational blogs and that. She talks about a load of shit that I don't. Wait, she been writing letters to Santa still? Come on, T, man. You know Santa ain't real, man. You know Santa ain't real, man. Come on, man. I'm sorry I'm killing dreams, but Santa ain't real, man. But yeah, she does crazy freaking vlogs and stuff. She writes about. Yeah, she do. Do you get what I'm saying? She talks about. Just check it out. She talks about loads of hammer. Yeah, me so yeah, check it out. Music Geek Online. Thanks for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and let's go crazy on the like button, baby. See you in the next shot, boy.
No bitch, let's go.